Merry holidays. It's already time for Christmas, and we can see that in all the stores everywhere.
And no matter how you celebrate the midwinter festival of light, it's fun to decorate, and nothing says midwinter light festival like a good old-fashioned star. So today we are going to be making a gigantic non-denominational star for our front yard.
For the latter video, we used these 1x2 pine boards that I thought that I might be able to make a gigantic star out of. And I have sanded down all the burrs or anywhere that I thought might cause us any trouble. So what we'll do now is we'll begin by pre-drilling holes about 1.5 inches, 2 inches down on each end, and then we're going to screw it together. The angle of the point of a 5-pointed star is 36 degrees, but rather than spending the time to sit down and measure out each angle, I'm just gonna drill these together, and since they're all the same length, we'll make that angle naturally. In order to get the tension right, we need to be consistent in which beam is on the top at the points. Okay, here I've got the right beam on top and the left beam on the bottom, and I need to make sure that I consistently do it that way. Now, I'm not gonna go all the way through because I want it to actually move when I pull it in and out. So now I'm gonna screw this corner, making sure that the rightmost one is still on top. We need to go under, over,